my channel. My name is Aniskas, and if you're YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey boo, hey baby. Today I have Master G in the building. He's a DJ, producer, you name it all. Today we will be talking about something very. It's actually an argument that we had. Not argument. Okay, was it an argument?
It was just a conversation.
A conversation, yeah, a heated conversation, like Kori. And like I was like, wait, hold up, red like YouTube. So I think this is a perfect platform for you.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What is your idea when it comes to like fat and set? Why fat and set really important? Or like, are you for fat and set, or are you against? Like, how do you feel about the whole thing?
First of all, I don't judge any situation that people meet or that people go through. Sometimes it happens just because maybe there's freedom for people. But it's too important sometimes to get to know a person that you call your partner.
In a way,
and then you end up doing fat and set in a way that you guys enjoy spending time together. Or boom, fat and set, as they call it. But fat and set is it's an old way.
It's an old way, yeah.
Nowadays it's no longer that. It's about you being with your partner and blah blah blah. But our parents still
maybe it's a fat and set. And it's a sin, according to them.
The new generation of another, yeah. They don't even see as a sin. It's a sin, yes, as they say, but it's not a sin.
I think it's a sin because according
to the 70s.
them.
I will never judge a person that can do it. Support, I can't say, yeah, go and do it. And then not supporting, I can't say it's a bad thing, blah blah blah. If I meet someone doing it, they have a reason and that's their life and it can work for them. Some people started by doing that and now they are far. Yeah, to be on the safe side, sometimes you need your partner. You have to be with your partner. Fat and set is still happening even for successful people, as they're still not get married.
It does.
Yeah.
And
so don't allow people to judge you, and don't allow people to talk bad you. Even choice are high on top of that. So I can't say I support it or I don't support it.
You could obviously get that mentality of like, and
it was the mentality that your
parents gave me. Yes, they were like, yo, you have to get married first. You cannot like take a room someone.
Guys, you can't just wake up and get married. Guys, you can't just marry to a person that you have never spent a month with. You don't know how he behaves. He doesn't know you already period. You don't know. Like, guys, it's wrong. That's why a lot of people divorce. Now, stay with your person, spend time with him, so you know that when you guys get married, because now you get married to a person, maybe at church, when you get to marry that person behind closed doors, and then you'll be disappointed and depressed because like that person I used to see him at church, he's a brother, but now he's a fucking drinker. Sorry to say that, but that's like get to know a person, know that person, speak to that person, advise that person, talk to that person, live one thing so that you can see that you can make it with that person for the rest of your life. Otherwise, if you want to jump into things, just meet a person who wanna and then now you wanna move fast.
I think that's why most of older generation are still in that marriage because of bana, and they're still married because of the wrong reason. Even though our partner cheat, even you would find it like very shocking that like what's the partner cheat.
That's why that's why
I do divorce maybe or I do the real any.
That's why now there's that thing out like your dad. She's married to your mom or something. That's the problem. Because it happens with like someone and then walk around and they click and they make children. But I can't say buy from there because like they're married. If I can't use any house, so they just push it forward.
I was saying also like that's why the older generation he or she is in like a very unhappy marriage. Because it's not friendship to begin with. Starting, I like you, in fact, I know there's love at first sight. I guess but never do on that.
Way back it used to be like this, like if you get a person on a single inside your house. Way back it was that thing of when you work, you just have to have a wife. They used to pressurize them. Nowadays I just pressurize. Nowadays, we no longer listen to our parents. Way back, they used to listen to their parents. We have a wife, and later so it was like that.
That's why I don't think so why the moment that I'm date or have maybe a 20-year-old guy, when do you want to get married? Answer when I'm 35 or when I'm 31. Or when do you want to start having kids? When I'm 35, when I'm 30. Why? What's taking in a link?
I feel like it's the age or like now I'm old. You get it?
But
they feel like life begins at 30.
Nna ke feel like they'll be more matured, they will make better decisions, or they're gonna force themselves to like make the decisions really better. And life doesn't work like that. If when as a person or like only 20 or say matured, what makes you think let's
touch on maturity for a sec. You can be 40 and still not yet matured, be matured.
Yes,
can be 30, still not
that's what I'm trying to say.
Being matured, it's not an age, it's a person.
Yes.
Yeah, these things works together.
Yeah.
You see, you think, and then you feel.
Exactly.
You see a snake, you think or it bites fast, and then your heart should go.
Ow! Life sense. Please comment down below and tell me, like, as a guy, what makes you think how Richard 30 things will be better now? Maybe you'll have a solid job. Who told you that? Who told you that? Why 30? Why 30? I've never met a person when do you want to get married? And then he's like, yeah, in fact, next year, maybe when I'll 22. Yeah, next year, they're always in jail. And then for us ladies, well, now I'm gonna talk for I feel like when it comes to like marriage, it's a thing of setting up.
Yeah.
I might get married when I'm 40, when I'm 50, when I'm 60, or I might get married tomorrow. I read.
You never know, yeah.
Yeah, so it's a thing of like, as long as when we prepare mentally for your name, anytime make a direct and even if it doesn't happen tomorrow. Do you get?
Yeah.
Or we prepare okay, so it's not supposed to happen tomorrow. Mary, if it happens tomorrow, let's go. Cause why? Already mentally. But if you're already mentally now, like if you're ready to create today, and then why create hence why people end up by blow up because he never saw it coming. He never thought of it.
You like in a way you have to plan. In life you have to plan for the negative and the positive. So think a million. If it happens, like other people, as you pray for what you need, pray for your partner and everything. When I focus on things that you are doing, it's either maybe you are working or you are hustling or you're looking for a job or you
focus on that.
Just boom, you'll find yourself in a relationship. Like if you go around looking for a relationship, you will see flames. Mojola onya kibra. Nee, Tarazan, Jolo. I'm pack away.
Anyway,
it's not about sorry. It's not about what by the clapo, but some of Banyagana Lebano was just Dr. Galo. My class was that club, my Shlav, but as a boat. They get raped in a way, Mara, they won't tell you.
That's good.
Hey, they get raped because now it's a rape, and then you feel bad, but you don't feel bad, and you won't forget. That's how some of them they come up and they testify. I saw this and this. Sometimes you get raped by an animal, you don't because agree you went there, you wanted nice life, and then they take you, and then you get raped in a way because when you didn't want to have sex, but like you are paying for what you did.
Yeah.
Just like situation as Bongi. Gomor. Sbongile na wonu rape. No one agari na patela.
Na patela.
Mara in a way. O rape. Bam faketi konen. Asim to yena na back. Cause yena na mutu batla mutus. But after what I'm this is ofila. Ugar like you mutu againda anything and back. No, it's not. It's wrong.
Why is it that you would find a person elogoro o khona go ba le motho, ne?
Yes.
And then ha ba le motho o in the back of her mind or his mind that have only future land. Why stay? Why you stay?
Okay, this thing is it's complicated.
What?
It happens in a way like me, for example, I'm dating with a person, and then through our relationship, dating, spending time together, I noticed a lot of things that makes me to beg or like really that thing. Like, I don't see a future with this person. Yeah, it happens a lot. Why? Because of the tiro. And oh, my said some change from the tiro too. He or she keeps on doing it. And you don't like it, and y'all hate that too much. So there's the thing, like a person can decide to like, me and you, there's no way go. We just pushing time for now, and I don't want to pull off the plug now because I know how we move forward, and I know when we put it again, I'm like no.
Mari, at some point you have to pull the plug.
Yeah, you.
The plug. You have to pull it at some point.
Don't get me wrong. The plug is always get pulled. It'll pull you, and about where so we find out that's where you start to be crazy, and then that's where you'll be. Maybe it's either another pride or like the distance or little. That's why that guy will never say in camping and say no, so what? Because he's been on the plan.
I can't statements are Marikiri. Okay, I hope the girl will never cheat. I hope that the girl will never find anyone. Like you said,
it's not about
so that's a when do you realize it's sharp for natural okay sharp to pull a plug and why you feel like why do you want to torture yourself? Because at the end of the day, sharp, as much as you're wasting my time, naked so as much as you're wasting my time, you're also wasting your time.
But I want to go away when they will whenever the Western relationship because I want to tell you something about Banna. I'm wasting my time. Banna, Baka Jola Lowe and Bata Jola 10 years. Another thing that was Banna about playing one of Banaka married, didn't want to fall in love and never married, linear secret, Banna in Yanabat. If you are complaining, Banna. But linyalo. Okay, I do Jesus.
Meaning how about the commitment? Meaning men don't like commitment.
No, Brahman don't have a commitment. Everything. Officially,
different skin. Why?
And I'm not different. I feel like after he bam.
Oh, so you don't feel like you can just anytime. But then you're the same person who do a pull up plug. Don't you think that's like being stupid? I guess it is.
Now
you're wasting your time. Guys, this is the argument that like I guess fairly, but nakiri like advice everyone out there. It doesn't really make sense for you to like waste your time like that. As much as nah, it's fine. I honestly don't mind. Like besides, it's not one and if it means if take away, but mudimu take away maybe after 50 years, and then that time maybe mudimu are okay tulu. Now your life is about to end. Only like 2 days to live, and then you wasted 50 years of your time with someone who basically you were not happy. So why? So guys, like just do whatever that makes you happy, ne? But also your time, your efforts. Because baby, in a relationship, come on, you spend a challenge, you spend a nako, you spend like your emotions, you spend everything like unta. That's so sentimental to you. Why?
They're like that.
Why? Gents, ladies, if you're doing it, stop. Guys, guys, just know what you want. You can die tomorrow, right? Oh, but like miserable. I don't think so. Oh, but like now as a cheater. I don't think so.
You are losing emotionally finances, as she said.
You are.
But Manjita banana. Manyor.
But nagiling cha. Issue your first.
No.
Issue.
No.
The animal. Like issue I'm frustrated, guys. Like I'm frustrated so much, and I'm so glad that like I had a guy who like because people like if I had a lady, we need to agree on the same thing. It's nice that we are battling about it. When are your last not advising other people, but when advising yourself.
When I'm more life I've advised myself in a way or like when you do something sometimes It's got mix. Then when you have a relationship with a person, stick to the person, take the person serious. That's the thing. No, nothing about to mix you. That's a maybe.
Hotel oil.
Adikopani.
And it's all singlets, I can.
Kili ki just don't do nothing. Ki jabo over the mountain. Ba chela beer da. Azanga dia je. Adi ba to mix. Adi ba to mix you.
Why expensive?
Beer ya chelo ka raudi jo. Ki enjoy mountain ko fakiri. Oh, ya testa. I know that beer bottle. I was like, Fichima. To be for another day, my friend, subscribe. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching.